Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to show you the way that I look at some of my swing-based analysis and hopefully offer some clarity into what is, maybe a little bit of a busy workspace, but there's some good stuff in here, so hang on to this and check this out. Essentially just showing you how, for the longest time, I've been using this workspace where I focus on weekly, 3-day, and daily squeezes. Those were at the heart of what I use for my swing-based trading setup. And what I'm really looking at inside them, the core piece of that, is are they in squeezes? Because those are what I look for assistance in directional movement. It's one of the oldest signals that I've studied, etc. So, my thinking was that between weekly, 3-day, and daily, there really wasn't the need for 4-day and 2-day charts. That almost seemed just like a little bit of overkill because the information you need would be in these other charts. However, this is a very unique example of where when you look at the 3-day of NVIDIA and the daily, all we have are these low compression squeezes, which I don't really count as much of a signal. They can work. But look at how much this changes when you then come over and add in. Here I've added in the 4 and the 2-day. So there's no signal off of the 4-day chart, but look at this squeeze on the 2-day. Anyone that has studied the squeeze will see this for what now I believe is a much cleaner, you take that multi-celled workspace and now you've just expanded it to view that squeeze on a single pane. And it makes that nested multi-time frame way of thinking just easier to look at. So when I think about two of the best charts in the market right now, I believe NVIDIA is one of them. Now, as the subject of the video tonight, I'm not telling you these are discounted. You see NVIDIA at 900 or 880 or, it could come back a pretty good clip. I know these prices are a little bit steep off of the lows, but when this squeeze gives its full, firing, I fully expect us to be up there into those external retracements around 1,000. So I wanted to bring that to your attention as one of my favorite setups. And then the other is going to be Amazon. So Amazon's a little easier off of the 3-day setup. So you look at this one where the 3-day did catch this, but the 2-day actually works as well. It's just taking everything you would have in a daily session, taking 2 of those and combining them into a single bar. So it's going to be faster than weekly action, but slower than daily. And you can see here again, a mature squeeze where the DMI is crossing over into positive territory. If Amazon can get above the 190, more of that same thing where tomorrow you could gap up into 190 and then sell off the rest of the week. Amazon is still going to be just as good of a swing-based setup, and I believe it's just a matter of time until we are quoting this at 200. So those are some of the trades that I'm pursuing. I hope you find the analysis and those thoughts on the time frame helpful. Have a great rest of your night, and I hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.